So the next song I'm gonna sing is it's all in Rapa Nui language, my native language, and the name of the song is Hapa o Tatou. This song talks about we, the people that live in this island, islanders. We are the ones in charge of taking care of our land. We need to spread and tell the people when they come about our place and respect. We need to show them how to respect our land. This song says we are the only ones that can keep this place alive. And this message is for all our Maohi people, Maoli, Kanaka Maoli. We're in Hawaii, in Tahiti, in Rapa Nui. And for you guys, Hapa o Tatou. How do you say Hapa o Tatou in Hawaiian? Malama. Ikaw honua. Ikay aina.
Malama tatou ikai aina nei. Malama tatou i te henua nei. Malama tatou i te henua tapu nei. Malama tatou hapa o tatou i te henua tapu nei. O te ariki nui e. 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 Malama tatou i natura e. Malama tatou i te henua nei. Malama tatou I te nuna a henua maohi oh,
Yeah, brother. Chihu.